Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and it's a little bit different. It is a Squid Games advent calendar, which I bought from Wowcher. Can you hear it? I purchased it for £14.99 and it retails for £49.99, and I can't find where. Where can you get it from? It contains 24 fidget toys. Get this Squid Game inspired stress relief fidget toy advent calendar today for counting down to Christmas as a gift for a loved one. If you've never shopped with Wowcher before, you need to create an account. Ooh, can you see there? You need to create an account and then you're all good to go. And they were shipping on top of a couple of pounds as well. I think it was about £3 or £4 shipping. So I paid just under £20. So yeah, I love the Squid Games, absolutely love it. I'm the only one in the house of 5 that has watched it. Everyone else doesn't want to watch it. I don't know why. I think it's because I bang on about things a lot. If I really like something, I talk about it a lot. So I probably annoyed the heck out of everyone in the house. I'm like, oh, can't be arsed now. You've spoilt it, Claire, you've spoilt it. So when I saw this, I thought, okay then. Yeah, fidget toys, really not my thing, but I have got teenagers, so this calendar will be put to use. I'm sure they'll have fun with the little fidget toys and things, but I thought I'd add it to my advent calendar playlist on YouTube. Yeah. If you're interested in this for yourself, then you will find a link down in my description. So underneath this video, you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to open this up. And I'm trying to find day number 1. If you haven't seen Squid Games, by the way, watch it. It is really, really good. Really good. I cannot wait for season 2. I started watching it and can't find number 1. I'll just talk to you until I find it. I started watching it when I was on a plane back from Malta. I went to Malta. I found number 1. I went to Malta to see a friend of mine just for a weekend. I hadn't seen her for a couple of years because of COVID. So yeah, so I downloaded it to watch on the plane. Oh, it made me cry. Oh, it's quite gruesome. It is gruesome. But yeah, it is so good. Hold on a minute. To keep all the fidget toys from falling out, they had sellotaped them down, so I just had to take them all out so that I can easily grab it. So day number 1, we got what looks like a little hair tie. It's metal. There's no information on the Wowcher website, and there's no information on the back of this advent calendar, and it didn't come with a leaflet. So these are all fidget toys related to the Squid Games. Yeah, I don't know where that's from. It's a stretchy ring. Okay, day number 2. These are really hard to find. Yeah, it's really hard to open up as well. We've got a ball in a hole box. So the aim is to try and get this ball in the hole. See? Oh my word, look, 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 look. Look, look, it's in, it's in. These things usually beat me. I just give up. But I did it. Here's that. Day number 3. You got a finger puppet. Now this is all squidgy, or a pencil topper. I had a sensory subscription box a couple of years ago that I did on the channel, and they had a lot of toys in it with this sort of mesh here that you can manipulate and squidge down, but this one you can't really. No, you can't really. So yeah, I'm dying to know what my kids will think of these. Day number 4. Ew, this is all, it's all sticky. Oh, this is so weird. Look at that. Look at that. Squidge it and the balls. Oh, I like this. And the balls inside are all squidgy as well. That is so weird, isn't it? Apologies for the ring light reflecting off everything. I'm filming at night, so I need to have extra lighting. But yeah, oh, that's cool. Okay, day number 5. Over here. There's little cutouts. Can you see if I hold it up close? There's little cutouts. There's perforated edges. But this cardboard is really thick. And yeah, it's not working that well. Oh, it's one of these sticky things. Oh my god. It's just really sticky. Do I put my finger on there? Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what you do. I'm not too sure, actually. I haven't played with any toys like that before. If you've tried any of these fidget toys, please let me know. Day number 6, down here. We got a little person. None of these are related to Squid Games yet. Am I right? I suppose, yeah, 24 is quite a big ask, isn't it? But they could have done a 12-day advent calendar and had items in there all related to all the games that they had to play. A little stretchy person with hearts for eyes. Day number 7. Here. Got a little ball. A little sensory ball. Feels really nice. Rolling it around my fingers. See, if only I had things like this when I was in school, I think I would have done okay. I think I would have been able to concentrate. I've got ADHD and I get distracted at the slightest thing. I didn't do well in school at all. I have, since coming out of school, I've gone on to study and I've even got a degree, but I failed school. Secondary school, just failed it. It just wasn't for me. But then back then, I've got dyslexia as well. None of it was picked up. So yeah, just imagine me in class trying to concentrate, playing with all these toys. Like one hand like squidging a ball, and another one rolling. But no, I need another hand to, right, ignore me. But I think it might have helped me. Maybe not, I don't know. So day number 8. We've got another little man. It could be a woman. It's sticking his tongue out. So exactly the same, but just with a different facial expression. It's there. Right, day number 9. Good ball. Does this open? Does it? Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. What on earth? It's like a. Is that a Pikachu? It's a Pikachu. Oh, I wish there was information about what all these things are, what they can be. I suppose you could do whatever you want with them, but just what are they? Why were they made? Haven't got a clue. It's a Pikachu something anyway. Rightio, what day are we on? I think it's number 10. Yep. Ah, we've got one of these. This is a little puzzle. How does it? Oh, yeah. You're supposed to pull it apart and then put it all back together again. Now these I can never do. My eldest son, he loves these type of puzzles. So I'll give that to him. Still nothing related to Squid Games yet, as far as I'm aware. What I can remember. Day number 11. Oh, I spoke too soon. We've got a guard. And it's one of these popper things. Can you see? So you just push them in. It's supposed to be a satisfying fidget toy. My daughter had one of these. Obviously not a Squid Game one. But yeah. And you've got a little tie then. So you can carry it around with you. Put it on a bag. Put it on your bag. Whatever. Day number 12. Something's wrapped up. I haven't got a clue what that is. I don't know. It's an alien head with a sucker. So you stick it on a surface and it just stays there. An alien head. Here you go. Day number 13. Down here. Oh, this one's hard. Wow. I can hear a ball, but I can't see it. Can you see? Oh, how annoying. There's loads of holes. The aim is to do each side and then move on. Maybe. I don't know. That is hard. That is really, really hard. Day number 14. Oh, down here. This is a pen top. This is a proper pen top. Little alien head there. Okay, day number 15. And we've got another ball. Oh, what's in this one? Is it another Pikachu thing? It's another Pikachu thing. What are you? What are you? Hook it on the back there. I haven't got a clue. Nope. So I've got 2 of them now. Day number 16. Up here. Oh, the kids have had this before. It's a multi-fidget toy. So you've got to press different buttons. Twist things around. What else is there? Touch. It's just multi-sensory. Plus you got there. And you got these on the back there. I don't know. It's pretty. I like that. Rolling. So yeah, so it's a multi-sensory fidget toy there. Day number 17. Down here. Oh, we got a Squid Game toy. So you've got a mix of the guards and the players. It's like a Rubik's Cube, but not quite. So you can move things around, change it, and yeah, the aim is to get all the guards together and get all the players together, maybe. Yeah, I know the kids will like that one. Day number 18, up the top here. Oh, and it's already opened. I'm guessing it all comes apart and you put all the bits together. Yeah. I'm not going to do it because I'll lose all the pieces on the floor. But yeah. Whoop. Day number 19, counting down. We've got another alien pen topper. I'm dying to know if you're still watching this and you thought it was going to be some like adult advent calendar all related to Squid Games. Please let me know down below. But no, you got a load of toys instead. There's a couple of Squid Game things in here, and in the Squid Games they play children's games, so obviously there is a connection. Day number 20 here. Oh, we got another ball. Do we have a green one or a blue one before? One of these balls that you just roll in your hands. Oh, I love the feel of them. I do really like it. They're not squidgy, but oh, yeah. Day number 21. Over here. Got another ball. Why? Out of all the items in this box, what are they for? If you know what these flipping Pikachu, I'm sure it's Pikachu, things are, please let me know. There must be a reason why there's 3 of them. Do you need 3 of them to do a game? I don't know. So strange. Day number 22, down here. We got another person with a happy face. This time. Stretchy person with a happy face. Day number 23 over here. Ooh. Ah, I had one of these in the sensory box, subscription box that I had a couple of years ago. There's a marble in there. But yeah, you just push it up and down. Day number 24 down here. How does this work? Oh, okay. So you can manipulate them. It spins as well. My gosh, I remember when these fidget toys, in particular the spinning ones, became a huge craze in the UK a couple of years ago. Oh, my kids loved them, absolutely loved them when they were in primary school. Yeah, I wonder what they'll think of them now. Day number 25, it's the last box on the advent calendar, and I might as well rip it all open. I've got lots of things, look. Lots and lots of things. Yeah, that's it. All gone. Finished. We've got, I can't remember the name of the game, but if you've watched Squid Games, do you remember when they had a honeycomb? And I'm not going to tell you anything else, just in case you haven't watched it and you want to watch it, or you haven't got there yet. But yeah, this is from the honeycomb game. And you just spin it. And that is it. It's it. You could play the honeycomb game yourself at home. Just get a biscuit or something and you just spin it, and whatever it lands on, that's what you've got to do, which I'm not going to talk about because just in case you haven't seen it yet. Yeah, no, that's quite cool. Again, another Squid Game related fidget toy. So you've got these poppers plus spins. Yeah, that's cool. We've got another one which is the same with the poppers, but it's bigger. What's that? And we got another one. So a big one for the belly. Do these move? No, they don't move. And I'm assuming this comes with that. So you can put it on a bag or something or whatever. Then we've got two more of these. I'll just get the other one. We've got a square, a circle and a triangle with poppy bellies and faces. And that's the one I had earlier on. And these two come with ties as well. So day number 25, definitely related to the Squid Games. And there's a couple more fidget toys throughout the advent calendar. Overall, I wouldn't pay £50 for it. No. There's a lot of tat in there, but it is quite fun. Not for me personally, but for my kids who haven't seen Squid Games and they're teenagers, so I'm not sure what they would think of like alien pen toppers and things like that, but you never know. Have you bought this advent calendar for yourself or for someone else? I'd love to hear what you think of it, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.